TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go in the trading week. Let's check in on the markets. It's quite a volatile Friday to finish off a volatile trading week. You have the Dow Jones negative by 80 points, trading 24,527. S&P's positive by 4 points, trading 2682. And the NASDAQ positive by 40 points, or almost 0.6%, trading 72.22. Let's jump over to the VIX. As we've seen this market claw back most of its losses in each market besides the Dow, and heading higher, the VIX plummeting back to almost the teens, heading to 21 as we speak, 21.66 on the VIX after being above 26 on the market open when all major indices were in the red. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 3 hours left to go in the trading week. So we'll start it off with the Dow 30. Quite a rebound. As of about 11:15 Eastern Time, we were right at 24,207. From there, we are up a solid 300 points, 24,508 as we speak. S&P 500. Let's see where we were on the lows. 9:45 this morning, 26.47. From there, we are a good 34 S&P points. Quite a dramatic run from the lows around the open. 26.81 currently on the S&P 500. NASDAQ 100. Let's get the NASDAQ 100 up because the NASDAQ is the leader. We'll go into spreads. We'll go into US Tech 100. We'll get that chart up and check that out. So NASDAQ 100, same thing. About 9:45 this morning, we are at a low of 66.47. Call it 66.50. From there, we're up 120 NASDAQ 100 points. You're talking about almost 2% from the lows that we were at just after the open this morning. Pretty dramatic. Crude oil, quite a bounce as well. 10:30 this morning, we're down at 60.20. We're up a solid dollar from that level, 61.18 in crude. Gold contract, bouncing around a bit. Gold, 1321.79 currently in the precious metal. And Bitcoin, 10,914, flirting with that 11,000 mark for most of the day. Pretty tame week for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, especially in the context of what we've seen in the major indices. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. He'll have an action-packed hour, I'm sure, as this market continues to rock and roll. Then, of course, Dave White at 2 o'clock, and Tom O'Brien wraps the trading week up live from 3 till 4. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.